So this is where you can find sounds on a Capcut on your iPad. Let's get started. If you are brand new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, if you go to Capcut as usual, you'll be able to get to your projects where you see your clips on the timeline below. But right under the clip or the timeline there, we have the audio section, right? So you have the button to click on, and it's called Add Audio. When you get there, more things or another set of buttons is going to appear at the bottom. And there you can find like sounds and brand music and all of that kind of stuff, right? So we need to tap on the sounds, and by default it jumps to like these presets or whatever, right? You can also click on the TikTok icon where you get access to your TikTok sounds. But personally, the best way by far, if you ask me, is by clicking on the folder right there and then selecting device. So then the blue button is titled Select from Device, which opens up the actual Apple Files application. And in there, no matter what type of audio I have, it might be MP3 or even something else, but I can easily locate it because it's within the file browser, right? And I can click on open and then add it to my timeline, to my project. So in reality, it just means that I access my audio files and can add them directly from the files application where I can locate all of them, right? So it's pretty simple that way. Obviously, as you can notice, there are more ways how you can add and find sounds on Capcut, but this is my favorite method. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it and make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.